If you come across a smartwatch or smart ring advertised to non-invasively measure blood glucose levels, exercise caution and skepticism. The Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has recently issued a safety communication to alert consumers, patients, and healthcare professionals that no smartwatch or smart ring has received authorization, clearance, or approval from the FDA for independently measuring or estimating blood glucose values.
The FDA is issuing a warning for people who rely on smartwatches or rings to track their health.
In a statement, the agency said these devices claim to measure blood glucose levels without piercing the skin, but that this kind of testing has not been approved by the FDA.
It's important to emphasize that major wearable manufacturers, such as Apple, Fitbit, Samsung, or Oura, currently lack the capability to perform this function. The extent of their capabilities is limited to supporting integrations with FDA-authorized continuous glucose monitors, CGMs. CGMs are wearable devices equipped with needles to read blood sugar levels. Users can monitor data from connected CGMs through companion smartphone apps. An example is the Dexcom G7. Contrary to reputable wearables, the FDA's warning specifically addresses dubious devices making unverified claims. Some unscrupulous companies showcase such devices at trade shows like CES, falsely asserting their ability to conduct non-invasive blood glucose measurements. These devices are then sold directly on company websites, through crowdfunding campaigns, or on online marketplaces like Alibaba. If you encounter such products, the FDA encourages consumers to report the issue using its MedWatch voluntary reporting form. The timing of the FDA's safety communication aligns with the heightened attention on this technology. Despite reports of Apple and Samsung exploring blood glucose monitoring tech, it's crucial to note that no FDA authorization has been granted to any smartwatch or smart ring for this purpose. While progress is being made in the wearable space, it is expected to be several years before a device suitable for healthcare settings, let alone consumer use, is developed. It's worth reiterating that skepticism is warranted for any wearable claiming FDA approval. Although smartwatches and smart rings may have FDA-cleared features like EKGs and atrial fibrillation detection, they are not classified as medical devices and should not be treated as such.